In this video I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the safe mode on a Nothing phone for a and for a Pro. So if you want to go to the safe mode, first of all we need to open the power menu. So I'm gonna do that via Control Center or Quick Settings. Here in the bottom right corner we have this power button, and now what you need to do is you want to press and hold your finger on the power off button. Then you will see this message, reboot to safe mode. You want to tap on OK, and now just wait for your phone to restart. And then once it restarts, here at the bottom on the left side you can find that the safe mode text. So of course now we are in the safe mode. The airplane mode is activated by default over here. Only selected pre-installed apps are available in here. And now if you want to exit this mode, all you have to do is simply restart your phone. So we can go back to the power menu, and you just want to tap on restart in order to reboot your phone. Keep in mind that if you leave the safe mode and go back to the normal mode, the airplane mode is going to be still activated, so remember to turn it off. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.